When this guy was craving McDonald's nuggets but couldn't get to McDonald's due to a blizzard, he came across the craziest solution.
Can I get a number 7 meal, please?
A 10-piece meal?
Yes.
Alrighty. Any sauces and what the heck? I wasn't even looking at my thing when you came up. I didn't realize you're on a snowmobile.
Yes, sir. Car doesn't have snow tires on it, so this is my mode of transportation, bud.
That's a first for me. 2 sauces and a drink.
Can I get a Coke and buffalo sauce, please?
You want to try our Buffalo Ranch tonight?
No.
Alright. Anything else for you?
That'll be it.
Alrighty. Rip on up here.
Alright, sounds good.
But is this a W pull-up?